Next part of the questions is about to find the equation of a line that is parallel perpendicular to the given one. So the first two questions will be about the parallel line. So we need to find the parallel to 4x plus 3 and go through the point 4, 5. We still will be using our equation y take away y1 is equal m times x take away x1. So the first step is to identify m, x1 and y1. So the gradient of the parallel line will be exactly the same. So it means that I need to identify gradient of this line, and the gradient of the new line will be the same. So m will be equal 4. So this is our x1, this is our y1. So basically I'm just substituting to the equation. So it will be y take away 5 is equal m times x take away x1, 4. Expand y take away 5 is equal to 4x take away 16. Rearrange, so add a 5 to both sides, and we will get y is equal 4x take away 11. The next one, this is again parallel line, so gradient will be exactly the same. So it will be gradient equal to 1/3. So this is our x1, this is our y1. So substitute to the equation y take away 5 is equal 1/3 times x take away x1, 9. Expand the bracket, y take away 5 is equal to 1/3 x take away 1/3 times -9 will be -3, and rearrange, so add 5 to both sides. We will get y is equal 1/3 x plus 2. The next part is, the next two questions are about the perpendicular lines. So remember, gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the given is equal to negative reciprocal of the gradient. So if I will identify the gradient of this line, so this gradient is equal to, so my new gradient of the line that I'm looking for will be equal to negative reciprocal of this one. So the gradient will be equal negative reciprocal 1/2. And I don't have anything else. I need to only find perpendicular lines. So it might be any line that will be perpendicular to this one. So basically the point is not important for me right now. So y will be equal -1 over 2x and any number. So it might be +1, it must be take away 3, it can be +1/3, any number, because it only must be perpendicular to this one. So y-intercept for us is not important. So any number you will write it down will be okay. The next one, we have perpendicular to y equal 5x plus 6 and go through the point -15 and 2. So this is the gradient of our line. So the gradient of a new line will be equal to negative reciprocal, -1/5. So this is my x1, this is my y1. I will substitute to the equation. So y take away y1, 2 is equal -1/5 times x, take away x1, but we have negative 15, so we will have negative, so take away negative number. I will write it down this way just to be sure that you will notice what we need to do. So y take away 2, negative 1/5, and we need to change the sign, negative and negative, so it will be plus 15. Now we can expand the bracket, so it will be y take away 2 is equal negative 1/5 x, take away negative 1/5 times 15 will be negative 3. So rearrange, add 2 to both sides, so we'll get equation y is equal negative 1/5 x minus 3 plus 2 take away 1.